Hey Ashley, where is the shopping list?
It's in my bag. What else do we need?
We still need milk, flour, and sugar. Oh, and blueberries.
What do we need all these baking ingredients for?
I'm going to make blueberry muffins tomorrow.
That sounds tasty. Do you know where I can find the flour?
It's right next to the condiments section. But let's get the blueberries first.
Here are the blueberries. The peaches look really good too. Maybe we can get some?
Sure, I like peaches. How about you get the flour and sugar? I'll get the milk.
All right. What aisle is that again?
It's in aisle 3, I think. I'll meet you at checkout.
Yep, see you there.